In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell AI art and images on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So diving right in, let's talk about Gumroad. It's a fantastic platform if you're looking to sell digital products, and AI-generated art is definitely hot right now. Whether you're an artist diving into the world of artificial intelligence or simply wish to monetize your creative skills in digital art, you're in the right place. First things first, you need to either create an account or log in to your existing Gumroad account. If you're new to Gumroad, it's pretty straightforward. Just visit their website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details, and in no time, you'll be able to start selling. If you're already a member, simply log in using your credentials, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look for the section that allows you to create a new product. This is generally pretty easy to find. You'll see a prominent button that says New Product right on your dashboard. Click on that, and Gumroad will guide you through the options. When you select the type of product, make sure you choose Digital Product. This is crucial because you want to correctly categorize your AI art, where potential buyers can easily find it. After you've clicked on Digital Product, you'll need to upload the artwork you created. Make sure your images are high quality and represent your best work. Next, it's time to set a price for your artwork. Pricing can be a daunting task. You want to ensure it reflects the value of your work, but also consider what the market is willing to pay. Check out some similar products on Gumroad to gauge a good benchmark for pricing your artistic creations. Once you're happy with your price point, go ahead and input it into the system. Now let's move on to the description. This is key because it's your chance to communicate with your customers. A solid description should include what inspired you to create the artwork, the techniques you used, and what potential buyers can expect when they purchase it. Make it engaging and informative. It should entice buyers to hit that purchase button. While you're drafting your description, keep in mind that you're storytelling. You want your audience to connect with your work, so highlight what makes your art unique. Maybe you've used a specific AI model, or perhaps your style is distinctively your own. Whatever it is, don't be shy. Showcase your creativity. After you've added your images, set your price, and crafted a captivating description, it's time to wrap it all up. Double-check everything: your images, the price, and your description. Ensure there are no typos or errors that could potentially detract from your professionalism. Once you're satisfied, click on the final button to publish your product. Congratulations! You've now officially set up your first digital AI art product on Gumroad. The next step is to promote your work. Share it on your social media channels, your website, or with your friends and family. The more eyes on your art, the better the chances of sales. Finally, don't forget to check back on Gumroad often. They provide useful analytics that will help you understand how your products are performing. Keep tweaking your descriptions or pricing based on what you learn, and don't hesitate to experiment with different types of AI art. Selling your AI art is a journey that involves creativity, strategy, and a little bit of personal flair. I hope this breakdown helps you navigate the process smoothly and successfully. Enjoy showcasing your art to the world and making some sales along the way. And remember, if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and like it for more tips and tricks in the future. Happy selling!